Look at these two emails. They're both welcome emails, but only one of them actually works. The one on the left is the old way, generic, boring, and easily ignored. But the one on the right, that's the AI way. It's personal, relevant, and builds a real connection.
This one is what 90% of businesses send. It's a generic template, and it feels like a robot wrote it.
And this one feels like it was written by a personal assistant. That's because it's AI email marketing done the smart way.
What if I told you that you could have an AI agent write hyper-personalized emails like this for every new subscriber, automatically?
The data doesn't lie. 74% of consumers expect a welcome email. And when you make it personal, the results are huge. We're talking 4 times the open rate and 5 times the click-through rate. I'm going to show you exactly how to build a hyper-personalized 3-part welcome email series using an AI agent. This isn't just a cool trick, it's a powerful system for lead generation.
Because a great welcome email series can generate up to 320% more revenue than any other promotional email. For years, this was considered personalization, just dropping a first name into a generic template. But basic personalization is dead. To really succeed with AI email marketing, your AI agent needs to go deeper. It needs to analyze real-time public data, like their LinkedIn profile to understand their professional goals, recent news to find relevant conversation starters, and company info to tailor your message to their specific needs. This is how you move beyond templates and start building genuine, one-to-one relationships with every single lead, automatically. All right, let's start building. Step 1 is laying the foundation inside MailerLite. Before we even touch the AI, we need a dedicated space for our new subscribers. Let's head over to the subscriber section. From here, we're going to navigate to the Groups tab. Creating a specific group is crucial for organization. We'll click Create Group to get our dedicated segment set up. We're going to name this group AI Welcome Series Subscribers. This name perfectly describes who will be in this segment. Now we'll click Create. We are now ready to begin integrating our AI and crafting those personalized welcome messages.
Step 2, the AI brain. For this, we'll move over to a powerful tool like clay.com. We're starting with a clean table, ready for our data. The process begins with just a single piece of information. We'll create a column and simply paste in our new subscriber's LinkedIn profile URL. Now watch what happens. We'll add an enrichment to find the person's details. With one click, Clay instantly pulls their basic data, their name, title, and current company. No manual work required. But that was just the warm-up. Now for the real magic. We'll add one more column, this time using AI, and we'll give it a simple but powerful prompt. We're instructing the AI to read their entire LinkedIn profile and write a single complimentary sentence to use as an email icebreaker, making sure it mentions something specific it found. The level of detail in this prompt is what guarantees a high-quality result. We hit save, and this is the moment our AI agent goes to work, analyzing, processing, and writing. And look at that, it's done. A perfect, specific, and complimentary icebreaker written for us in seconds. You can even see the AI's reasoning. That's the personalized line we'll use to make an incredible first impression.
Okay, we have the magic sentence. Now, how do we get it from our AI brain into MailerLite? We'll use the most reliable method, a simple CSV file. We navigate to Actions and export our enriched table from Clay, downloading it with a single click. With the file ready, we head straight back over to our AI Welcome Series group in MailerLite. We'll add our new subscriber, choosing the option to import from a CSV file and selecting the one we just created. And now for the most important step of this entire process, mapping the fields. This is where we connect the dots. We'll match the standard information first, email to email, name to name, and org to company. But here is the critical part. We instruct MailerLite to take our LinkedIn icebreaker sentence column from the file and place it directly into the special icebreaker custom field we created earlier. With the mapping perfect, we click Finish Import. MailerLite processes the file, and just like that, our new subscriber has been added. Let's click into their profile to see the final result. And there it is. We scroll down and look! The personalized AI-generated sentence is now a permanent part of their subscriber profile, ready and waiting to be used in our email. This is how you seamlessly bridge the gap between advanced AI and practical email marketing.
Step 3. Building the dynamic sequence. With our personalized data ready, it's time for the payoff. We're going to bring the data and the automation together. Let's head over to Automations and create a new workflow from scratch. We'll name this our Hyper-Personalized Welcome Series. Now, the trigger is the most important part of this entire setup. We'll set this workflow to begin the moment a subscriber joins our specific AI Welcome Series group. This is crucial because it ensures only the right people get this special, personalized sequence. Now, we'll design our first email. The subject line is our first chance to make a powerful impression and show this isn't a generic blast. Instead of welcome, we'll use something specific and intriguing, like, "Loved your focus on profit-led growth." This immediately signals that we've done our research. Then we jump into the email designer. We'll keep the design clean and simple, focusing on the message. We start with a simple, "Hi," and then using the personalization menu, we'll insert the subscriber's first name. This is standard, but now for the real magic. This is where our AI's work comes into play. We'll go right back to the variables menu, and there it is, our custom field icebreaker. We select it, and just like that, the connection is made. That simple placeholder will now automatically and dynamically pull in the unique AI-written sentence for every single person who enters this sequence. This is the heart of true one-to-one personalization at scale. But a great welcome sequence builds a relationship over time. It isn't just one email. So first we'll add a 2-day delay. This gives our new subscriber time to breathe and digest the first message. After that delay, we'll follow up with a pure value add email. Notice the purpose here. It's not about selling. It's about building trust by offering something genuinely useful, like a detailed case study that speaks directly to their professional interests. The nurturing continues. We'll follow that value add email with another delay, this time for 3 days, to maintain a respectful and effective pace. For the final step in our initial sequence, we'll add a soft call to action. We're not pushing for a sale, we're just sending a gentle conversational email with a personalized subject line like, "Any questions, Amy?" This simple step invites engagement and opens the door for a real conversation, transforming a marketing monologue into a human dialogue. Let's save and take a moment to look at the entire system we've built. It's a complete automated journey, a hyper-personalized welcome triggered by our AI icebreaker, followed by strategic delays, value-focused content, and a soft invitation to connect. Every single step is designed to feel personal and responsive to the subscriber. With our entire sequence built and perfected, there's only one thing left to do. It's time to bring our AI agent to life. We click the main toggle to turn the workflow on, confirm that we want to add the existing subscribers to the start of this workflow, and just like that, our automation is active and waiting. From this moment on, every person who joins this group will receive a one-of-a-kind welcome journey, building a powerful, genuine connection from the very first interaction. This is how you stop blasting and start conversing. This is intelligent, automated email marketing.
But a truly smart AI agent shouldn't just deliver a static sequence. It should be able to adapt. Let's make this workflow even more intelligent. We'll add an if-then condition right after our value add email. The condition will be based on workflow activity. We'll tell MailerLite to check our value add email and see if the subscriber had any link clicked. This is our decision point. Now for the yes path.
If they click the link, it signals they're interested and engaged. So we'll send them a more direct, call-to-action focused email. The subject line will follow up on their specific action, and the body of the email will reference the case study and invite them to a quick chat to discuss how the strategy could apply to their business. But what if they did not click the link? That's the no path. A hard sell would be a mistake here. Instead, our AI agent will adapt and send them another piece of valuable, no-strings-attached content. The goal isn't to sell, it's to continue building trust and demonstrating expertise. The email for this path will offer another quick resource, maybe a short video that builds on the topic of the case study. We're keeping the conversation focused on value, not on a sales pitch. With our 2 paths built, we'll save the condition. And now look at our workflow. It's no longer a straight line. It's a dynamic journey that responds to the subscriber's actions. We'll turn the automation back on, and now our AI agent is truly intelligent. It can send a sales email to the most engaged leads and a nurturing email to everyone else, maximizing the potential of every single subscriber. That is intelligent AI automation in action.
It's time to stop shouting into the void. Stop sending generic blasts. They don't connect. They don't convert. They simply get ignored. The new way is about one thing: building real relationships, one person at a time. So that's it. You've just designed an AI system that builds those relationships for you and gets clients on autopilot.
To make this even easier for you, I've created a template for this entire 3-part AI welcome email series. It includes the full 3-part sequence and the exact AI prompts we use to generate those hyper-personalized emails. It's completely free, and you can get it by clicking the Download Now link in the description below.